Oh man, not cool. Morning, guys. Pretty early. Looks like it snowed. It's bright in my eyes from the light, but yeah, just trying to wake up. And don't worry, that clock's more for decorative purposes. It's not even right. It works, but sometimes the battery just craps out. I don't even know why. But waiting on a Walmart delivery to get here. It's about 10 till 8 in the morning, and Bruce is on his way. So I wasn't expecting snow, but here we go. I did not want any more of this. Ugh. But I was bragging. I was bragging at the idea yesterday that no ice, no snow. Jinxed me. It's my own fault. It's really cold right now. I can feel it from inside the door. Yeah, look at the fog I just created. Well, I can't really tell, I guess, but yeah, there you go. The difference in the cold. Good Sunday morning to you, though. Right now, I'm just trying to get my bearings, wake up. We had a pretty good time yesterday at Sam's Club, and then came home last night and had some of those tasty burgers we found, or not Sam's Club, oh my goodness, that's how tired I am. Costco. We're thinking about going back to Sam's Club, though. That was a topic of discussion. But I got some burgers. They were chicken Asiago burgers. Man, they were good. Here's a clip of those that we made last night. Here it all is. And yeah, we got Walmart as well as our Costco because we were comparing prices, as you saw in yesterday's video when I made my little whoopsie. And so we found a lot at Walmart for cheaper. Here you be, all the groceries. All right, the healthy grocery haul continues, sorta. We got some cauliflower, we got some steaks, pork tenderloin in this bag, salad dressing, bananas, onions, almond milk. We got some zucchinis, green beans, some cherry tomatoes, asparagus, Rao's marinara for some pasta. Don't know if it's the exact healthiest, but you know what I'm saying. Quick oats. We're going to start doing breakfast, morning, overnight oats, whatever they're called. Sweet potatoes, more tomatoes, an onion back here. What's in this bag right here? I don't even know what's in that bag. Oh, cauliflower rice, brown rice, lentils. We got sausages. We've got snack packs for when my wife gets a sweet tooth. It's sugar-free. Gotcha. Wow, listen to me talk. Chicken broth, almond butter, a little bit of regular butter because you just kind of need it, and yeah, milk, regular milk. That pretty much sums it up. Pretty excited for these though, just like those burgers we bought. Don't let the bright sun fool you. We got it, but it is absolutely freezing out here right now. 30 degrees. No thank you, but we're off. The first stop on the frozen tundra tour is getting some gas for the car. The wind is crisp, 30 degrees. We're heading to the laundromat that we've been going through lately. If you've been following this channel, you already know. If not, go check out the past catalog. I'll show you once we get there too. But right now I'm just trying to keep my head away from the wind but still talk to you guys. It's not fun out here in this Circle K. A far cry from yesterday's weather, almost 60, now down to 30. Trying to channel my inner Hawaii hat from my wife's stepbrother Josh, where he lives, where it's warm and cozy, probably. 26 bucks though for gas? No way. Don't leave here. As you can see, the what's left over of the Christmas corpse is out on display for 70% off. And we've got the Valentine's Day stuff coming out already. Well, I guess it is close to Valentine's Day, but yeah, but we're off to the laundromat, like I said. No real explanation on why we're going there other than the fact that my wife likes it. Because we have a fully capable working washer and dryer. She just loves it. But we need a new jug of laundry soap.
Oh, so cute.
You gonna get that?
Yeah, why not?
Wow.
So $2.
Sure, it's a good one. Is that a good one?
$7, yeah. It's odor boosters, which I mean, odor blasters, so you can.
So I stink.
Yeah, you do.
Drop a comment to the mystery wife who never is on camera. Tell her she's the one who stinks. She's the one who stinks. All right, we made it. We're over here. Quick clean. Gonna pop in, do some bedding. It's mostly what we really do, honestly. She saves up a lot of the blankets and all the big stuff that won't really fit in our home washer and dryer, and then we come down here and do it. And also my work clothes, which I mentioned in the previous video because they are stank. So we'll get in here, we'll see what happens, if anything, and then we'll hang out a little later, guys. All right, got my quick clean card here. I can only use it here. I need to add some funds, so we're gonna add some value. And we'll swipe it. Got $18 on it right now from our last time we were here. But they charge a little bit for heavy loads, so I'm going to, well, what am I doing here? Oh yeah, we're gonna add another 21 or $20, so we get you 21 cents. So I got $39 on here now, which is good because I got to use the big washer for all my work clothes to do it in one big load, get all that stink out of it, and they're about $10 for a big load. And then it's various prices. The one thing I do like is they have a bathroom key for privacy. You can only use it when you get it from the front desk. Had to step back outside, bring some stuff to the car, but yeah, we're attempting again. I know I've done this a lot on this channel. It's hard, but we're attempting again to do a better lifestyle as far as eating habits, as far as living in general. So with that, we're going to be joining the Y, I think, is where we've kind of nestled it down to work out. They've got 24-hour access into the gym. They've got saunas, swimming pool, the whole deal. And it's good for adults too, kids as well. You know, it's the whole thing. It's the YMCA. Kind of thinking we're going to narrow that down and go there. But we've got to do something. My wife's health, you know, she's a diabetic. So with that, and I'm close, I'm on the verge. Most of my family are diabetics to the point where on holidays I'm getting stuck in the finger and getting my blood checked. So we have to make those positive life choices. And I know on this channel you've mostly seen me eat the junk. I can tell you what you haven't seen, which is what I'm going to try to bring you guys into, is the world of healthy on what we do eat through the week by doing more vlogging and showing you guys, you know, my day and kind of bringing you into my life a little bit. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope you enjoy this cold weather because I sure don't. But anyway, guys, I'm going to pop back in here. We're going to try to make some better choices in life, though, is the plan. I think that's the ultimate plan. And I'll take your prayers and your encouraging words in the comments. You know, it'd be great if you could help us along with that, especially if we can get the the Holy Spirit working, get God on our side and help us push us and make us stronger and have stronger willpower to resist those snacks and stuff that are not so great. And speaking of which, I am hungry. I'm getting there. I had a bowl of cereal today, but it was basically a bowl of Golden Grams and Rice Krispies, like the end of the box so of each, because now my job is to take some of the stuff that isn't so healthy and finish it off, because I don't believe in food waste. So I'm at least going to knock out some of the freezer food and some of the remnants and whatnot of half open boxes of things. So there is that. So on the way here, we're coming through some windy roads and slid on a little bit of ice. Thank the Lord, man, I'm telling you, that was a good one. He saved us today, but ice, no dice. And would you look at that. They got my day off card right here up on the cork board next to all the cool ads. It's pretty cool. Although those cards are extremely dated now because the channel's changed up a little bit. Maybe when it gets warmer, it'll go back to some magnet fishing. Actually, it probably will because I really want to get back into that. I didn't get to go all like throughout the spring and summer this year. It's too busy. RK, Rural King. All right, so my clothes, my work clothes that is, are in the dryer, and it got me thinking that I need some more work pants. I've had some pants tear in the middle of working in places that are not fixable, to say the least. So I'm going to pop into the Rural King, snag a few pairs of pants, look for a protein-packed snack for my wife and I, and hang out, enjoy what it is that is a Sunday. Now, all of this snacking and food eating will have to be in moderation, but trying to avoid that will be a hard thing. Tasty, hot, buttery, salty popcorn. Sounds so good. Did you hear that they're getting rid of this? I heard online, the Farmer's Almanac coming to a close. I don't know how true that was. Never looked into it, but it's been a long time since I've read one of those. No way. Oh, it's because it's that brand. Yeah, we're not looking for $86 pairs of pants. Holy moly. Clearance, cheap guy, frugal. That's pretty cool looking. I don't need it though. Fat guy pair. Insulated jeans for $25. I do work in the cold, but I'm not sure I need insulated pants. Now we're talking cheap guy prices. We just need to find the size for the big guy, and that's not it. I don't know if I'm going to show you my actual size. You'd be mean to me. These fitting rooms are like something I've never seen. Maybe like fictional prison movies. The whole. There I am. Yeah. Something else. Very, very old school. Throw them in the hot box. All right, pants secure. Now to find a snack. Wife has requested turkey sausage snack sticks, which I could share these with her, so booyah. Now, if there was anybody who needs to have a YouTube channel or just be on camera presenting, doing anything, it's that guy Charlie I just spoke to. Wish I could have put him on. Didn't want to ask him. Felt weird about it. Talk about just a really cool, chatty guy. Ringing up my pans, ringing up the beef sticks. And he's looked at my ring on my finger and said, that ring on your finger means responsibility. Freaking hilariously good dude. Oh, these are the people who need to be the prime time, YouTubers, TikTokers, if you will. Make TikTok a little bit better, that is, because it's kind of brain rotty. I mean, I'm sort of on there now. It's a little here and there. Not good at it. But anyway, guys, that guy, man, this freaking snow is not heavy, but it doesn't look like it's going to be letting up now. That's annoying to me after yesterday being almost a 60. That sun that was right there earlier, gone now. I'm getting grayer because of the stress of this cold. No, I want my 60 back. Lunch today is going to be a turkey bacon Swiss with guacamole wrap. A couple of those, and admittedly probably some Pringles just to get rid of them. All right, you guys, it is now about bedtime, actually. Lunch was good today. We just did a lot of hanging out. We watched a show called Traders. It's like a celebrity game show type of thing. And then we made dinner, which you're going to see right here. A little bit of chicken, green beans, and lentils for dinner tonight. Don't mind the skin here, just because I've had my glasses on all day. It's really red in the light, or at least it looks like it to me. Anyway, guys, catch you on that next one.